Well, in the famous words of Britney Spears, oops, I did it again. I've gone and done a shit ton of work and left you guys in the dark. So, yeah, as you can see, car looks mostly done. Kind of is. I've got about 140 miles on it. And it's only a couple of days of driving it around town. So far, so good. The only hiccup we've had is I had a defective throttle pedal. There was an issue with the correlation on the two sensors in the pedal. Got a new one, all better. I put a different style in, but I'll update you guys on that in the next one. This is going to be a quick video. Today, glass. We're mid-project, so as you can see, I've already got the windshield installed. I should actually say my badass wife, you know, the one that anytime something heavy needs to be picked up or you need a third or fourth hand, she's the one that makes all this possible. You guys know what I mean. But anyways, borrowed some commercial suction cups, put some suction cups on the glass, did all of our fit up, and we just got done installing the windshield. I used the factory style butyl rope. You can get a sneak peek in there. But the 3M comes with the setting blocks, but I already got my clips all installed. Back glass is just getting it ready to go. A sneak peek. We'll update on that later. I know, I'm a tease. But yeah, we're getting the back glass installed. This is the original glass. Got a little bit of pitting, but I don't want to replace it now with the OG roadkill sticker. Car will always be roadkill at heart. So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm getting ready to wipe this down with rubbing alcohol, get it all prepped, and get the wife back out here. We'll gotta get the back glass reinstalled. Next step is next Friday. So today is Saturday. I don't know. It's the first Saturday of May. I think it's the 3rd. So next Friday, I got an appointment for a wheel alignment. So I think I'm gonna raise the ride height just a tiny bit, maybe a quarter, half inch in the front. It sits really nice as it is right now, but once you get 4 people in the car, it's a little bit low. Transmission pan sits a little low, and then again, I need to raise the back up a little bit. We've got a clearance issue. Things happen. So yeah, more to come. And yeah, just want to give you guys a quick update. So get out there. Summertime's coming. I've only got 3 more weekends until camping season starts, and then I've got like no time to work on this thing. So have a good day, have a good weekend, and get some work done.